So today I'm going to show you how to make some Easter eggs that look fancy but are actually really super easy to make. So you want to start by choosing a small picture from the newspaper and just cutting it out. Ovals or circles work best for this. And then get yourself some white school glue, and you just want to take a paintbrush and paint some glue on the back of your chosen picture. Paint it over the entire thing and then press that onto your blown out egg. Just smush it around with your thumbs to kind of get the creases out. And then take a little more glue on your paintbrush and paint over the top of it. The glue will dry clear, and it'll also give it a slightly protective coating. So here's what I did with two little spring cottages. And so you just want to leave those to dry. And I found that the longer pictures looked better than the circle ones because they mimic the shape of the egg. So the two little circle cottages didn't look as good as just the long oval Virgin Mary there. And so to give it an additional touch, you can put a outround of metallic silver puffy paint, or any color really, but I think it looks better than just the plain. So I ended up doing both of the eggs in the puffy paint outline. Leave me a comment below and let me know which look you like better.